Avery, and I'm a senior in the nursing program here at Pitt. I'm also working towards a minor in social work. I chose Pitt because of the location of the campus. There are so many different specialized hospitals within walking distance of the campus, and I just saw so much opportunity here as a nursing student. In lecture, you talk about something like blood pressure, and then you go to a skills lab and you learn how to take blood pressure, and you practice on your partner taking blood pressures, and then about a week later, you have to go and do a skills lab test. And so they check it off and they say, yep, you know how to do blood pressure, and then they tell your clinical instructor, and then the next time that you're at clinical, your clinical instructor allows you to do blood pressure in front of them on a patient, and then after that you're allowed to do it on your own. And I even got to be in the OR for a cesarean birth from start to finish. That was an amazing experience. Just the one thing I can say is that Pitt Nursing has given me so many unique experiences throughout my clinical time. And that was why I chose to come here, and I have not regretted it ever since. Eventually then, I want to go back to school to become a nurse practitioner, probably in like 2 to 3 years, and I think I'll specialize in women's health. So yeah, that's a little about me. See you guys.